Hello Mzansi, Faith Nketsi and her husband Njilo are happy again after they were seen enjoying some wedding over the weekend in Cape Town. So it has been some few difficult weeks for the couple as Njilo has been dragged to court of fraud allegations. Now last week Njilo was released on 30,000 bail and Faith and Nzuzo flew to Cape Town and they looked like they enjoyed the moment. Now they went in with a black attire and Faith dress looked beautiful on her. She even admitted this and she said that this was the most beautiful dress she had ever worn for a wedding. So a few weeks ago there were rumors that the couple were just about to divorce, and it looks like now the couple are still standing, strong together, and they're going, strong and stronger by the day. But by the way Faith is going, these days, it's almost as if she is trying to prove a point to South Africa. She hardly ever posts Unonzizo Njilo. But ever since this court allegation, like she's overdoing it. To me, I feel like it's like she's rubbing it in our faces. It's like, yeah, my man, I'm standing behind my man type of thing. But anyway, marriage is full of challenges. Till I see you again. Bye bye.